Hello, today I will show you how you can send or receive fax messages in the Infinix Hot 20. So at the start you have to download some fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Store. I choose that one, so you have to open it. You have to add the permissions before, but if you in the Send Fax mode, just click the plus and choose the source of your document. Now I will take a photo. You can see now we can adjust the shape of the document, and if you're ready, click here, then choose the filter to make your document more visible, and by these little icons you can add a signature, text or graffiti. Now if you're ready, click here again, and here you can see there is a place where you have to type the number that you want to send the fax message, and optional can add a small note. If you want to add more documents, just click on this little plus and choose again, or if you want send only this one, just tap on this icon. And that's it. If you want to receive a fax message, just click here on this tab icon, and here you can see now we are in the receive fax mode. Now just get a fax number, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.